Number 5. Black & Decker Beat Aero 600. Orbital sander comes with paddle switch for natural sander actuation. The compact and ergonomic design of the hand sander helps to provide control. High-performance dust collection of the electric sander is designed to provide a clean work surface. Hook and loop system for easy paper changes. Paddle switch for natural sander actuation. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Porter Cable 382. Compact and lightweight random orbit sander ideal for DIY and professional applications. Equipped with a 1.9 amp motor and capable of 12,000 OPM. Dual plane counterbalanced fan to reduce user fatigue over extended run time. Accepts 5-inch 8-hole hook and loop sandpaper. 3-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Ryobi P411 One Plus. Compatible with the Ryobi One Plus battery system. Included sanding pads attached using a hook and loop connecting system. Rubber overgrip with notches makes it easy to handle despite intense vibrations. Dust bag attached to the tool to collect any shavings from your work and reduce. 10,000 orbits per minute make this perfect for any sanding and polishing job. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. DeWalt DCW210B. Orbital sander with brushless motor provides runtime and efficiency. Variable speed control of the hand sander from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM. Low profile height of the power sander allows user to get close to work. Replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad for quick, easy paper changing. Dust sealed switch to protect against dust ingestion for long switch life. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Bosch RAS 20 VSK. Pad dampening system designed to eliminate swirl marks on both flat and contoured surfaces. Through Bosch's signature hook and loop disc attachment system. Powerful 2.5 amp motor allows speed to workpiece and task matching with ease. Features a microfilter system for fine dust and trapping particles. Includes sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, dust canister, vacuum adapter and hard carrying case. Please check the description for details and best price.